Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 6, chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. In this lecture, I am going to explain you exercise 3.2. Question number 5. Now read the question properly, thoroughly. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find dimensions of the garden. Okay. Solution. Let length of the rectangular garden be x meter and width of the rectangular garden be y meter. Then by given conditions, length is equal to width plus 4 and therefore x is equal to y plus 4. So this is my first equation. Then half the perimeter is equal to 36. So you know what is perimeter. 2 into bracket L plus B means length plus breadth. So 2 into bracket x plus y upon 2, because half it is 2, is equal to 36. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled and therefore x plus y is equal to 36. Equation number 2. If you solve these two equations, you will get x and y. Solving equation number 1 and 2. Now in this case you substitute x is equal to y plus 4 in this equation. So substituting x is equal to y plus 4 in equation 2, y plus 4 plus y is equal to 36 and therefore 2y is equal to, this you transfer. So 36 minus 4 is equal to 32 and therefore y is equal to 60. Substituting y is equal to 16 in equation number 1, x is equal to 16 plus 4 is equal to 20 and hence length of the garden is equal to 20 meters and width of the garden is equal to 16 meters. Okay. Question number 8. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, write another equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is 1. Intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. Okay. 1. Given line 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Other equation 3x minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So if you write down this other equation in this way, so if you know if lines are intersecting, then a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 and therefore this is my another equation. So if you compare this with what ratios a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 and therefore these two lines are what? Intersecting lines. So second condition, given line 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, another equation 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. If you compare the ratios, a1 upon a2 is equal to v1 upon v2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So this is my another equation. So a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2 and therefore lines are what? Coincident lines. Okay. And for third condition, given equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, another equation 2x plus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is another equation such that what a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but is not equal to c1 upon c2, and therefore lines are parallel. Okay. Question number 7. Try to understand. Okay. Draw the graph of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and x-axis and shade the triangular region. Okay. Try to understand solution. X minus y is equal to minus 1. So to represent this line graphically, find the order pairs or what coordinate. Now x, y, x comma y. Suppose if you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Because minus y is equal to minus 1, therefore y is equal to 1. And if you substitute x is equal, y is equal to 0, then now this is 0, so x is equal to minus 1, and therefore these are what your coordinate, point of what coordinate. So 0, 1 and minus 1, 0. Similarly find the points for this equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12, xy, x comma y. Suppose x is equal to 0, then 2y is equal to 12 and y is equal to 6. So my point is 0, 6. And then I substitute x is equal, y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 4. So my second point is 4, 0. I plot this point on Cartesian system. So you know, so this is what x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. Okay. Now then plot this point. So 0, first point is what, 0, 6, that is this point, and second point is what, 4, 0. So this is second point. Join this point. So this is a line, this is a graph of line 3x plus 2y is equal to 12, and this is a graph of line x minus y is equal to minus 1 intersect at point A. So this point is 2, 3. Okay. Now then this is a triangle. So I share this triangle. So my coordinate vertices are what? 2, minus 3, then B 1, minus 1, 0, and C 4, 0. Okay. So vertices of triangle ABC, A 2, 3, B minus 1, 0, and C 4, 0. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.